Having a free shipper is a privilege when having a kitty. Life just got cheaper and cuter.
这个毛不能吃得饱。
Dog is about to learn that sometimes being curious isn't good at all. Curiosity doesn't always end well, buddy. There are people who are destined to become geniuses, like this pianist. Born to impress, not to rest. It must be so tough being the older one in the house. You can't hit those kids. The struggle of maturity is real. Idol's concert, while his class is still going on. Priorities, right? It's actually not. It's actually not that hard to reach a cat, you just need patience. And maybe a can of tuna. Disappointing humans with teamwork skills is something this kitty will not allow. Teamwork makes the meow work. With every cat and dog coupled, this is their daily activity. True love, with a touch of chaos. It's created for everyone to learn, and he succeeded in doing that. Congrats, you failed perfectly. For the first time in his life, Cat's beaten in the competition of cuteness. The king has fallen, long live the puppy. Excuse me, is there anyone in this house? Please open the door quickly. Delivery of chaos has arrived.
Don't touch me! 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 Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away! Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
Stalking a cat is definitely his worst decision today. Mission failed before it even began. Don't expect to win when this cat never gives up on his goal. Determination level, legendary. Isn't it? I love you so much, but this love won't be fruitful. Not all fairy tales have a happy ending. Coordination is an important skill that cannot be ignored, especially when gravity is watching. Cat won't be this nice always. Guess they'll become good brothers eventually. Peace treaty signed for now.
Hey, you, step away from the box.
Got it, Mom. Classic last words before disaster. No one can hurt my mother. The protector has entered the chat. Dude clearly doesn't know how to handle a kid. His relationship is so cute. Parenting, trial version activated. Looks like he's found a new toy for himself. The excitement is real and unstoppable. According to what we know about Cat, this dog is really having a lucky day teasing him like that. May the odds be ever in your favor, doggo.
Oh my god, what is that?
No need for a teacher when self-study is this boy's #1 skill. Knowledge downloaded successfully. When his mother assigned him the task of managing his younger brothers, Chaos Manager mode activated. Based on what I'm seeing, each of them has finally found their soulmate. Love comes in the strangest forms. Don't forget to register a slot for this boy, for the Who's the Smartest contest. Genius detected. The result after is 2 hours of self-study on TikTok. Congratulations, you're now an expert in nothing. Cat can be quite arrogant sometimes, but the good news is dogs aren't afraid of it at all. Confidence versus courage, fight. The importance of observation is that he is never looked out. Watching is his full-time job. If imitation were a superpower, this kitty could rule the world. Copycat at its finest. Pop still doesn't realize it has met someone who matches its infinite energy perfectly. The Chaos Duo is finally complete. You think you can make me give up because of these things? Challenge accepted, human. When you're allowed to go outside, but homie must take care of the house. Freedom comes with great responsibility.
Okay, so this is the banana and this is the apple. Show me the banana.